Hello friends and welcome. So this video is going to be on the type of computer network. We already have discussed about computer networks and the devices to which we can establish networks. So this video is specifically on the types of computer network. So friends, when we have to consider the types and we discuss the types of computer network. There are four basic types of computer network, that is PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. Some may consider VPN as a type of computer network, but VPN is something else different from computer networks or the in types, but some may consider it as a type. But when we talk about the types, there are four basic types, that is PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. So in this video, we are going to discuss that or learn about that. So let's get started. So friends, first, PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. Then we have LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Then we have MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. And last, WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. So let's discuss them one by one, starting with PAN. By its name, it is Personal Area Network. That means, friends, when you have to establish a network for the personal use, that is under the category of Personal Area Network. That means when you have to connect multiple devices for personal use, that network is PAN. For example, when you connect your mobile phone or your PlayStation or your laptop or your headsets, all these are the example of creating a network that is for personal use. So for PAN, we establish network by wired media, that is through USB cable or USB port, and then wireless, like you can use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So that is PAN. Now moving toward the basic and the more important three of the types. First is LAN. By its name, it stands for Local Area Network. That means when you have to achieve a network that is local, it is under the term LAN. Or when you talk about LAN, that means small area, or you can say within a building. When you have to establish a local network, when you connect multiple devices or computer together inside a building or under a small area, that is under the term or that is known to be the local area network. You can use the network devices like hub and switch to establish LAN. Friends, if you talk about the examples of LAN, so within a building, that means in a school, in a college, in a bank or in an office, that just triggers the smaller area. The network that is going to be achieved in a smaller range, a small area or within a building is under the term local area network. So moving towards MAN. So MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. When you talk about MAN, we talk about cities. That means it is bigger than LAN. LAN just covers smaller area, but when we talk about MAN, that covers city. Within a city, like if you have a bank, there are multiple branches of a bank, or if you talk about school, there are multiple campuses of the school, similar the branches of the bank. Even if you talk about university, university are the huger geographical area, so there are multiple departments in a university. So when you want to connect all those or to form a network within a city or within different campuses and branches. For that purpose, we use MAN. So MAN is used to interconnect LANs, that is to build a connection between the campuses and the branches of a same uh, uh, thing over to in a city. Then moving towards WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. So it is the wider network that spans through different, or sorry, a bigger geographical area. So when you talk about WAN, you have to say that it connects the cities and countries. That means when you have to achieve a wider network, when you have to connect through countries and cities, then you use the WAN. So friends, as you can see, LAN is the smaller area or the local area network within a small range or within a building. Then MAN, which connects the multiple LANs or interconnect LANs to build MAN or within a city. But when we have to interconnect the MAN to achieve a network that is going to connect the cities and countries. So it is a hierarchy. First, LAN is going to be established, then interconnecting LAN we are going to establish the MAN, and for the connection of multiple MANs and LANs we connect the WAN. So WAN is the wider area network that connects cities and countries together, and there is a lot of transmission of data over to that, and you can say triggers a lot of area. And friends, as you can see, internet is the best example of the wider area network or WAN, where you can communicate to anyone within a world or on the corner of the world. You can communicate to them. You can even exchange your information, or you can even browse the information over to that. So WAN is the wider area network. So these were the basic types of computer networks. But as I discussed before, when I just started the video, some people do consider VPN as the type of computer network. So when we talk about VPN, first VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. So friends, Virtual Private Network or VPN is actually being used for the purpose of privacy. That means when you have to hide your original identity, you use VPN. As you all know, as I have discussed in my videos that were about the network devices, that when you communicate with each other and or when you just explore to the internet uses, or the communication device uses the IP, that is the internet protocol, that is going to be with the server. So the server knows the person or the device that is going to connect over to the internet. But when you don't want to show your original identity, or you want to hide your original identity, then we use some VPN. What VPN actually does? VPN is a software that hides your original identity. That software must have a record of your VPN by itself, but it just creates a fake IP address and it sent over to the internet, over to the server. So the actual identity or the actual IP of the user is being, you can say, secured, is not being exposed to the internet. So some for purpose of faking the IP, or just hiding your original identity, some users or people may use the VPN. So some may consider VPN as the type of a computer network, but it has a different scenario or a different purpose. It doesn't be in the type of a computer network, but as I have explained it also, but you have to, when you have to just talk about computer types, network types, there are 4 that are PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. Hope friends this video is going to be informative for you and you learn the basic concept about the types of computer network. And if you like this content, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel. and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself.